Hi, this is Cuppy with Your Cuppy Cake coming today to show you, I got a Scentsy order in and I wanted to show you exactly why it's so expensive to ship the small Scentsy bars. A lot of people complain about the $5 shipping for a Scentsy bar, and I just wanted to show you the work that they put into it so that you understand a little bit better why it's the cost of $5. So I ordered 6 Scentsy cubes and paid the $5 shipping, and I just want to show you how it came. So it has the stuff at the top here, no big deal. But see, it also comes in this huge, I don't know what you would call it, kind of like a foil padded container. And this is to keep your Scentsy cubes from melting. So they do put in quite a bit of cost into their shipping, more than just the other companies that may wrap in bubble wrap or tissue paper. And you open the top. Sorry, it's really hard to do with just with the one hand. Open the top here. And you will see, got the cubes. The first one I got in this order is the Honey Pear Cider. Very excited to smell that. I'll do a video later to show you my opinions on it, and I haven't smelt it yet. So the Honey Pear Cider, these are all fall and winter scents. And then I also got Eskimo Kiss. And I got Whiteout. Dulce de Leche. Cinnamon Bear. And let's see, Central Park Pralines. Very excited about that one. I believe that's it. However, it still feels like there's something. Okay, this explains it even more. Hold on one second. Let me go further into this bag. They also have put this at the bottom. I guess it helps absorb the scent. I'm not sure exactly what it's for. It looks like it's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like a powder material. Maybe like a flower. I don't know what its purpose is exactly. Maybe one of the Scentsy consultants can tell us what that's for. But anyways, I just wanted to show that, yes, like a lot of you, I also was taken back by the price. I thought, what in the world? Why do they need $5 shipping to send that tiny amount of things to me that they'll probably just stick in an envelope? But they didn't. They put it in this, like I said, this large foil type padded bag, and then they also added this, and it came in this huge box, which I would say, this is probably about a 12 by 12. So it doesn't come in a little envelope like you would assume. So I just wanted to take time today to show you that that's how Scentsy comes when you order it. This is my first order, and I'm looking forward to enjoying them in the future. Take care, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.